Huzur, the question is going to be based on verse number 95 from Surah Al-Araf, chapter number 7. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa ma arsalna min qaryatin min nabiyyin illa akhazna ahlaha bil basa'i wad dharra'i la'allahum yadharraun. The translation is, and never did we send a prophet to any town, but we seized the people thereof with adversity and suffering, that they might become humble.
So my question is, according to this verse, are the Muslims of today suffering by the rejection of the Prophet ﷺ?
I think it is reasonable to infer from this verse that the calamities which are befalling particularly those Muslim countries where atrocities are committed against Ahmadis, maybe because of the denial of the Imam of the time, that is Muslim. There is no question of any doubt about it. The more they transgress against the truth and the true people, the more they continue to suffer. The calamities befalling Pakistan in particular, so numerous, they're innumerable. You know, the crimes committed against small children, they are abducted and killed most heinously, mercilessly. And you might have heard of a person who abducted 100 children or so and killed them after committing crimes against them so mercilessly that their bodies were also dissolved in some strong acids in drums, and their bones were sold to some other countries where human bones are used for different purposes, particularly as for manure, etc. So he wiped out all the parts of the body completely. He was caught and he ultimately confessed his crimes. But what can be done about that? The judge also gave his verdict, which was against the teaching of Islam. Such a person would be punished in the hereafter. That would be where he will meet whatever he has been doing here. But I'm quoting this as an example. This is what is happening daily in Pakistan with so many innocent children. They're tortured, they're destroyed. I mean, the girls are taken away and forced to prostitute. Amazing things are happening which the mullah doesn't see. As long as they deny and reject Hazrat Masih Maud, the mullah says, you will go to heaven. Do whatever crime you do. Commit every crime against mankind, against God, you will be forgiven. And some declare that if despite all this you claim that Mirza Ghulam of Qadian is a liar, then maybe you are received in heaven by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this is sheer madness. And such things happen to those people who reject the voice of the Imam of the time.